Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how does Roblox Premium work. When I first considered getting Roblox Premium, I wasn't really sure if it was about the Robux or if there was more to it. After using it for a while, I realized it's basically a monthly subscription that gives you a fixed amount of Robux every month, depending on the tier you choose. The higher the tier, the more Robux you receive. It renews automatically unless you cancel, and the Robux you got each month stays in your account even if you stop subscribing later. But it's not about the allowance. Premium also unlocks trading for limited items, lets you sell certain avatar assets, and gives developers premium payouts when premium members spend time in their games. If you're into trading or creating games, that's where it really matters. Though it doesn't boost your skills or give gameplay advantages, it's more about economy and access. If you regularly use Robux, Premium makes sense. If you're just casually playing, the free version will still works perfectly fine. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.